is funny. The skid steer is carrying around the school bus, but the dump truck is driving the skid steer. Hey, excuse me, out of my way. Dump truck coming. Dump truck skid steer. I'm carrying a bus.
No, that's called a
logging truck.
A logging truck.
I'm a logging truck, and I'm
Watch out! Watch out!
Hey, JJ, do you know where we're going? We're going in space. Oh, we're going back in time. We gotta go back in time to 1995, 1996 to find some old Hot Wheels toys for unboxing. Whoa, we're here. Some of these cars are from 1995, 1996, 1997, 1998. And these are some cool construction vehicles. We got
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yep, and we got these at the LA Auto Show at this one place, One Stop Diecast place, and they had a lot of Hot Wheels. Especially, we're always on the search for some cool construction vehicles. For what? What are you on the search for? Yeah, and they're so cool. This one, I'm gonna turn into a little mini Miss Fritter, Hot Wheels Miss Fritter.
Can we open them?
Let's open these up. Which one are we gonna open up first?
This
would be perfect for you.
This is a wheel loader.
foot loader.
He's falling from space.
He's falling from a.
Well, let's take a look at this mighty cool wheel loader. Wow.
I'm gonna open this one.
All right. Even though it's so old, it looks very brand new. It's got 2 points of articulation. One here with the bucket, one here at the arm. It's got nice big tires. Awesome. This is the wheel loader. All right, next vehicle. We need to go to Saturn. No, not to Saturn. To what planet? Jupiter. To grab the Earth. Wait, what is this? The Peterbilt dump truck. Let's open it up right here, JJ.
Race Goose actually has the red one of this.
Oh, Race Goose has a red one of that?
Yeah. It came in a playset. It came in the playset.
Wow.
Whoa, it dumps. It dumps. See, it dumps.
Show right here.
Look, it dumps. And then that.
Also, the dump
And
truck.
look, and it opens up like a tailgate.
Nice.
It has a tailgate too.
It's got a tailgate right here. It opens and closes. And it dumps. Perfect. You can put stuff in here and it'll pour out. It's got triple axles, 6x6. It's a nice looking blue dump truck, Peterbilt dump truck. And it looks awesome. Alright. Next vehicle is the Ford Stake red truck. No, it's the, what is it? Next vehicle is the, what is it?
Boing.
Next vehicle is a scraper. Here it is. It's on the moon. Time to open up the Earthmover scraper. Hi guys, I'm the scraper.
It kind of looks like this one.
Let's see. It looks like this maybe flips open. No, it doesn't. So sad. The Earth belongs on Earth. Hi guys, I'm gonna do some construction. But first, we need to get the tow truck. Oh, it's flying by. It's a flying tow truck asteroid. It is the
Look, it's a
Ramblin'
Saturn.
Wrecker.
It's a Saturn.
Okay, it's a Saturn. It's coming from Saturn. The Rambling Wrecker. And it's really a cool looking tow truck. Let's open her up. Yeah. Crazy style. Whoa. Whoa. He fell from the sky like an asteroid, like a meteoroid. Meteor.
It's in the toes.
This is another triple axle vehicle. This is a good looking tow truck. I have not seen one of these in the newer Hot Wheels. This one looks different. It looks like a semi-truck. Actually, you know what?
That one tows the big vehicle.
Yeah, this must be one of those giant tow trucks you see sometimes, and they tow other semi-trucks. They tow buses. This must be one of those super huge tow semi-truck vehicles. Awesome. Let's see him tow something big. He probably tows a giant dump truck. Like this, yeah.
Don't. dun, 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 dun.
And then, coming from, where's this coming from?
Dun, 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 dun.
Coming from Earth is the Ford Stake Bed Truck. All right, let's open her up, JJ. Oh, crazy style.
Mess it up.
All right, here we go.
Yeah.
Look at this. You know what I like about these new vehicles?
Whoa, it dumps.
What I like
That's
about
really
these,
crazy how it dumps.
you know what I like about these vehicles that we got? I think all of them have triple axle. Most of them have triple axles. And this is also.
This one has a triple axle.
This one also dumps, just like this guy, but he does not have a tailgate. It's alright though, I don't need a tailgate. Hey there, dump truck. How you doing? We're bros.
He needs
You're my
it.
brother. And hey, let's gather the game together. Here we are
One more
on the scraper, the dump truck, another dump truck, the front loader, the flying. Let's get the flying tow truck. Sure, bring the tow truck.
It's going now.
Hey, tow truck, come here. All right, this is the tow truck.
And the final one.
And the final one. Dun, 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 dun. Coming from the sun. Coming from the sun.
No, coming from Mercury.
Coming from Mercury. That's the tiny little planet right there close to the sun. It's called Mercury. And from there is the bus is coming up. And this is called the
That's going so
school bus.
That is going so slow.
And the cool thing about this school bus, huh?
It was going so slow.
Oh, he's going slowly. He's going slowly from Mercury. So slow, school bus. You gotta be faster. And let's take a good look at the school bus. It's got some graphics on the side. Do not use if imprinted safety seal band is broken. And the other side has the same thing. Now this would make a great Miss Fritter bus. Alright guys, I hope you found this video to be educational. Today we learned about a little bit about the planets and construction vehicles and other vehicles. Let's just take a cool look at this solar system puzzle we have in our new vehicles. And
they're floating in outer space.
They're floating in outer space. Yeah, they're like what's this asteroid belt? This is the Hot Wheels asteroid belt. They're floating. Right. What is this, JJ?
The sun.
The sun. And this is Mercury. And next to Mercury is Venus. And who's next? Earth. And then who's? Yeah, this is the Earth's moon. And then Mars. And look at this big gas planet. Jupiter. And this one is. And look at all the cool moons of Saturn. And Saturn's got a cool ring. And so do these last two planets. Uranus and Neptune. Awesome. So these are the planets. Thanks for watching, guys. See y'all later. That was very educational. And the excavator is stuck in the cement mixer, or he's grabbing the cement mixer.
He's grabbing it.
Yeah, we're construction vehicles, working as construction vehicles.
Team back.
Team effort. Teamwork.
Team back. Okay. I call it team back.
But the new ones are this guy. What is this guy?
That's a Mars rover.
Tell me about his features.
This is a solar panel, and these are the wire connectors.
Wire connectors. These black things are the wheels. And then this guy. He's got a lot of yellow solar panels, huh?
Yeah, that's the yellow one.
Cool. I like your little Mars rovers. What is this giant guy? Big old one.
That's a street sweeper.
A street sweeper.
I just made that.
Awesome. Cool. Cool. Small rover, right? Come on. This is another rover, huh? Pretty cool.
And this one is my forklift.
Forklift, huh? I like your collection of rovers and forklift and street sweeper. Awesome.
Yeah. This is my other Mars rover.
This is another new one. Another Mars rover. And it looks cool. Very cool. Awesome, dude.